Welcome to another mathematics session. And in today's session, we are going to see questions related to double angle formula. And the question in our hand now is prove that 2 tan 2xc equals to cosine xc plus sine xc over cosine x minus sine x minus cosine x minus sine x over cosine x plus sine x. So this question, we are going to start from right hand side expression, and the expression here will be actually equal to cosine x plus sine x square minus cosine x minus sine x square. You divide under common denominator, which is actually cosine x minus sine x, cosine x plus sine x. So with this expression, we are going to expand, and expanding will be getting cos squared x plus 2 sine x cosine x plus sine squared x minus, you have cos squared x minus 2 sine x cosine x plus sine squared x, sine squared x divided by difference of 2 squared. This is cos squared x minus sine squared x. Proceeding with the question, cos squared x plus sine squared x, that is 1, of course. So I'll be having 1 plus 2 sine x cosine x minus, in the bracket, 1 minus 2 sine x cosine x, then divided by cos squared x minus sine squared x. So this is going to be 1 minus 1 will be 0, and you'll be having now 4 sine x cosine x over cos squared x minus sine squared x. Actually, this is cosine 2x. Also 2 sine x cosine x, this is sine 2x, of course. So the expression now will be reduced to 2 times sine 2x over cosine 2x, which is equal to 2 tan 2x, and this is equivalent to left hand side expressions. Hence proved. So that is solution for question in our hand. Prove that 2 tan 2x equals to this expression. If it's your first time to be here in this channel, consider subscribing and share with the students who might benefit from these contents. Peace.